Hi everyone, welcome back to Brother English. I'm Jamie.
And I'm Alex. In the last episode, we learned how to speak English at the hotel.
Today we're talking about something deeper, expressing your feelings.
Many learners know grammar, but they don't know how to express emotions clearly.
When you can express your feelings, your English becomes more human.
First, let's listen to a natural conversation between two friends sharing their feelings. Hey Jamie, you look tired. Are you okay?
Honestly, I feel a little stressed today.
Oh no. What happened?
I had too much work, and I didn't sleep well last night.
That sounds difficult.
Yes, but I'm trying to stay positive.
That's good. Sometimes we all feel stressed.
Now let's break down the emotional expressions you just heard. The most common way to express feelings is I feel plus adjective. Examples: I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel stressed. I feel excited.
Notice we don't say, I feel stressed. That is incorrect. Now let's practice saying these emotional sentences slowly.
I feel happy. I feel nervous. I feel excited.
Excellent. Emotion vocabulary makes your English powerful. Now let's talk about positive emotions.
Alex, I have good news.
Really? What is it?
I got a promotion at work.
That's amazing. How do you feel?
I feel proud and excited.
You should be proud. You worked very hard.
Notice how we ask about feelings in positive situations. Now let's practice expressing happiness. Imagine you passed an exam. Say, I feel relieved and happy.
Imagine you achieved your goal. Say, I feel proud of myself.
Life is not always positive. Let's learn how to express negative feelings politely.
Jamie, you seem quiet. Is something wrong?
I feel disappointed.
Why?
I didn't get the job I wanted.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It's okay. I'll try again.
Now let's learn how to respond when someone shares feelings.
When someone says they feel sad, you can say, I'm sorry to hear that. That must be hard. I understand.
When someone feels happy, you can say, That's great. I'm happy for you. Congratulations.
Now it's time for a deeper speaking practice. Think about your real feelings today. Ask yourself, how do I feel today?
Answer using this pattern. I feel. Because.
Speak slowly. Speak honestly.
Today, you learned how to express emotions clearly in English.
You practiced positive and negative feelings.
Emotional English makes your conversations real.
Remember, polite English opens doors. Practice daily, Speak confidently. See you in the next episode of Brother English.